Hey guys, what is up? In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to use Google Workspace for small businesses. So if you want to use Google Workspace in your small business, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so go to your browser on any of your device, computer, laptop, Mac, whatever, and search Google Workspace and click on the very first result. It says Google Workspace, sign up for free for Google Workspace. Google Workspace, for those who don't know, is a collection of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools, software, and products developed and marketed by Google. So pretty much every tool that you use in an office. So as you can see here, you can start a free trial or you can find the right plan. And um, the Google Workspace includes Gmail, Google Drive, Calendar, Meet, Chat, Documents, Sheets, Slides, and much more. So every single app here are used in the office. So if you use Google Workspace, it can provide a higher level of productivity and efficiency for your business, and it's gonna be very effective, especially if you use the calendar, the meets, chats, and everything else to collaborate with each other. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.